It's like an eagle. Ah! So beautiful.
Oh no, I'm too weak for this.
Yeah? Oh my god, he's gonna jump.
My skin is all ripped now.
Your skin is ripped. We can beat the. Oh yeah, you got waterproof?
Yeah.
Nice. I got fucking Vans on.
Oh, I missed. I missed again. Now what am I supposed to stand on?
That one.
This one.
No, the big one. The middle one. Oh yeah, you're good. You're golden.
Winner, Gagnon.
The numbers.
What does it say? It's a phone number. No, the curtain's up. I just like, what's up there?
This way.
Every way. Waterfall that way?
Right?
Yeah. But like, there's also stuff coming this way.
The water comes up this way. So
But-
there's a waterfall right here.
Which way? Well, I mean, which way is it?
That way.
Way at the top.
Sure. Yeah. Oh yeah. Well, people died at Albion.
Oh, that's true. That's. Ah, I think that might be right. I think we are not on any path anymore. Oh my god. I almost fell. Slippery, slippery. How is this is not a trail? This is not a trail, brother. Oh my god. Holy fuck.
You wanna get on the stick? You wanna get on the stick?
Ride it out.
I'm not going far out, but
It's gonna slide off there. Wow.
people died here.
No, they jumped off the very top on this.
You can't like this.
That's a perfect water slide down.
Yeah. You see how it moves when under your foot?
Yeah, I don't like that. Whoa, fuck. That was crazy. We just walked along that.
This is underwater, by the way.
Oh, you be talking shit on Facebook, I'll bash your mum, you silly bastard. Ah! 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 Oh.
Damn.
Good lord, boy. Nice going, dude. God damn.
That's pretty nice. That's coming on.
Don't fucking do. Do a flip!
How old is he? You trained him very well. Calm down, man.